In this video, I will show you how to buy XRP on Coinbase. So first just open up your Coinbase app and then you will find this option buy and sell. So just click on it. And from this window, you have to click on this buy option. And from this screen, you have to search for the XRP. So just use this search bar. So type in the search bar XRP. And from the search result, select this XRP option. Now on this screen, you just have to enter the amount, how much you want to purchase. So enter the amount in your local currency and then simply click on this review order button. You can also change your payment method by clicking on this pay with option and then select your preferred payment method. After that, just simply click on this review order button and then just confirm the details of your order, such as how much you will receive in your XRP and the available to transfer date. And once you have the satisfied with details, click on buy now, and that's it. Your XRP will be purchased in your Coinbase. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.